It may look like I'm painting the garage floor, but actually what I'm doing is putting down an epoxy coating. It's better than paint. It comes with a lifetime warranty, and not only will it beautify your garage floor, but it will also bond with the concrete to prevent it from breaking down over time. It's a really easy do-it-yourself project because everything you need comes in a kit. The first thing you want to do is take your broom and sweep the garage floor thoroughly. Then just take a hose and rinse the floor so that everything just rinses away. Okay, now we're getting ready to use degreaser, so we do want to put on safety glasses and gloves. That's important whenever you're using chemicals. These chemicals are environmentally safe, so you don't have to worry about them running off the driveway and harming your grass or your pets. Put the degreaser on any stains that you may have. Then take your broom and scrub the area. Now take the hose and rinse it away. Now we're ready for the final step in prepping the floor. This bucket already has water in it, and I'm going to add some uric acid. You can check the instructions to tell you how much you need to add. Mix it up a little. Then take the acid solution and spread it all over the entire floor. This acid is causing a chemical reaction that will better prepare the floor surface for coating. Now take a stiff bristled broom and scrub the entire area. And then again, take the hose and rinse it away. Now I'm ready to mix the primer coating. It's as easy as ABC. Everything is pre-measured for you, so all you have to do is mix it together and stir it up. You may notice that the floor is still damp, but that's okay. That's the way that we want it. The water pulls the primer coating down into the pores of the concrete, and that's what makes it bond together to make it durable. It will never chip, crack, or peel. Now we're ready to apply the primer coating. A little bit on my roller. Put it right on the floor. While we allow the primer coat to dry on this section, it'll take about an hour and a half. I'm going to go ahead and apply the second coat to this section. Now you only want to do a little bit at a time because now I'm going to add some vinyl colored flakes to add a decorative touch. Just put a little bit in your hand and then toss them up so that the air can distribute them and create your pattern. This will give you the look of terrazzo marble. It'll take 7 to 8 hours for the second coat with the fleck in it to dry. Then after that, you're ready to add a clear coat finish, which is what I'm doing right here. Now what this finish does is it brings out the color in the fleck, so it brightens the floor and it seals the fleck to the floor. With or without this clear coat finish, your floor will be impervious to chemicals and spills, which means if you have a car that leaks oil, all you have to do is take a rag and wipe it away.